Alright guys, today we're making a queso dip. This is going to be a great dip for parties, for entertaining. I make it about maybe once a month. It's very good. It comes out awesome. There's different ways you could cook it. You could put it on your barbecue. You could put it on your grill. You could bake it in the oven. There's different meats you could add. I'm using some brisket. I got some point brisket point that I had in the freezer and I took out to the frost. So now it's defrosted. I wish I did a video on the brisket, but the point, I actually sliced it as it was a flat. I did that on purpose. But anyway, you could use brisket meat, you could use pulled pork, pulled beef. It's very versatile. So today we're going to be using two different cheeses. One cheese is the Velveeta. Now, this is a must, I think, but you want to do it differently, go ahead. And I'm using this Monterey Jack. Monterey Jack, you could substitute that for a pepper jack, cheddar cheese, you know, you name it. You name it, you could do whatever. All right, so we got half a green bell pepper and a nice piece of sweet onion. It's probably about a third of the sweet onion, almost. I'm using some diced green chilies. You know, if you got some fresh, by all means, go do it. I'm using some diced tomatoes. You got fresh, by all means, knock yourself out. Now, we're just going to cut everything up nice. We're going to put it in the tray. Then that's it. We're ready to cook it. And basically, we're heating it up. And we're going to be melting the cheese, mixing everything together. And it's going to be nice, easy, and delicious. I guarantee everybody's going to like it. So, here we are. Our dip is all ready to be cooked. So, we got our bell pepper, onion. It was about a quarter sweet onion, about almost half a bell pepper. We got some Monterey Jack, some green chilies, some brisket, leftover brisket. Like I said, use any kind of leftover meat you got. It's going to turn out good, especially if the meat was barbecued. This is just going to be a home run. You could cut this smaller, but I like to have nice little chunks, you know. You could also cube this, but I think it melts better when it's shredded. We got some diced tomatoes and some Velveeta. So, I'm not sure how I'm cooking this today because the weather kind of took a turn for the worst. if I have my barbecue going, which I don't today, but if I do, I normally put it on. I would cover it for about 20 minutes, let everything start melting, the cheese and all. Then just stir it, you know, make sure you get everything all nice together. If you're going to do it on a grill, the same thing. You definitely want to cook it indirect, you know. Last resort, you could do the oven. It's still going to turn out good. If you do the grill or barbecue, you know, you could add a little wood, get a little nice smoke on there. And that's it. I'm gonna cover it up, and we're gonna be eating this later on. This is gonna be great.